Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Hamster Kombat not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in Telegram and then tap on the app to check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if you are still having or facing the issue, then what you can do is head over to your browser and on the search bar simply type in downdetector.com and then check to see if the server is working properly or not. Sometimes this might be the issue that might be causing the problem that you are facing. Now all you can do is just wait it out, and once the server runs properly you'll be able to use it. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.